So in this case, I have a list of full names of some soccer players, and I want to have two columns, their first name and their last name. So the easiest way to do this is to go up to the data menu, and we're gonna look for the data tools section, and we're gonna look for the text to columns options, and we're gonna click it. As I click it, it brings up a pop-up window where it says choose the file type that best describes your data, delimited or fixed width. In this case, we're gonna pick the delimited option, and I'm gonna click on next. Then it's asking you what is the delimiter for your data. So we can pick tab, semicolon, comma, space, or other. In this case, since at space is separating the first name from the last name, we're gonna uncheck this, and I'm gonna click on space. So now, as you can see in the preview, it's appearing the way I want. So I can click on finish, and there we go. So now I have the first name on the first column, and then I have the last name on the second column. So as you can see, the first name Cristiano and the last name Ronaldo, then Lionel Messi, David Beckham, and Zlatan Ibrahimovic are all displaying in different columns. So that's how you separate text in one cell to different columns. Okay, I hope that video was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to hit the red button to like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, and you'll be motivating me to upload more tutorials for you. See you next time!